Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Tutorials PH. And today we are going to add an image inside the text. So first, maglalagay tayo ng sample text dito sa ating project by clicking the horizontal type tool or pressing the letter T on our keyboard. So maglagay tayo ng example text. In this case, maglalagay tayo ng word na love. And then, press the check if you are done. Let's align it on the center of our project. Our next step is we are going to add an image dito sa ating workspace by clicking the file and then open. Hanapin natin ang image na gusto nating isama sa ating text. In this case, pipiliin natin itong image na ito. Ang susunod natin gagawin ay idadrag natin itong image papunta sa ating project. Just hold the left click and then drag it. Pagkatapos ay resize natin itong ating image by pressing the Ctrl T on our keyboard and then let's resize it. Kailangan mong tandaan na dapat ay nasa harapan ng text ang ating image. Dito sa ating layer panel, mapapansin natin na nasa itaas yung layer 1 which is our image at nasa ibaba naman ito yung love which is our text. Dito kasi sa Photoshop, kung anong layer ang nasa itaas ay siya yung nasa harapan. At nasa likod naman yung mga layer na nasa bandang ibaba. At dahil nasa ibabaw na ang ating image at nasa ilalim ang text, just select the image layer or the layer 1 and then right click and choose create clipping mask. Sa pamamagitan ng clipping mask, the image will automatically placed inside the text. So now, magdadagdag tayo ng additional style sa ating text. So just click the text layer and then right click and choose blending option. And then you will see the layer style panel at marami itong options na ating pagpipilian sa pagdadagdag ng style sa ating text. Or you can click this icon to activate that layer style panel. And choose whatever you want. Pwede kang maglagay ng inner shadow, inner glow, color overlay, or whatsoever. On this case, maglalagay tayo ng stroke. Just click the stroke. And then, dito sa ating layer style panel, meron tayong mga different options. So first, ay piliin natin yung color na gusto nating maging stroke or outline ng ating text. So let's for example, just click the black or red. And then as you can see, nagkakaroon siya ng outline. And then you can also change the size of our stroke by dragging this slider. And you can also manipulate its opacity or yung kanyang transparency. Let's choose another color, yung mas babagay sa ating design. This one. Or else, kung wala kang mapiling kulay dito, pwede kang mag-pick doon sa ating image. Itapat mo lamang yung mouse sa ating image and then makikita mo yung color picker icon and click that part of the image and makukuha mo na yung kanyang color. And that's it. That is how to add an image or to place an image inside the text. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.